Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 33. So you have this reaction here involving ethanoic acid giving off methane and carbon dioxide. Now the reaction above is called A. Acidification, B. Carboxylation, C. Decarboxylation, D. Esterification, E. Neutralization. Now the first thing to note in this reaction are the products of the reaction. So you have methane and you have carbon dioxide. Now any reaction that involves removal or involves carbon dioxide is known as a decarboxylation reaction. Now in a decarboxylation reaction, what happens is that a carboxyl group is removed from a compound and carbon dioxide is evolved. So as you can see here, carbon dioxide is evolved as a result of a removal of a carboxyl group from this compound. So decarboxylation is option C, which is the correct answer to the question. Now for clarity, acidification involves a reaction that involves addition of an acid to a compound. Carboxylation involves addition of a CO2 group or carboxyl group. Decarboxylation involves removal of a carboxyl group. Okay. Esterification is when esters are formed. Esters are formed as a result of reaction between alkanol and carboxylic acid to produce water plus this ester. Okay. And then neutralization is the reaction between acid and base to give salt and water only. So as you can see, decarboxylation involves removal of a carboxyl group to give CO2, carbon dioxide, which is what we have in the reaction. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.